welcome back. I hope you all must have finished your maths work by now, and it's time to begin our today's English class. So, can anyone tell me which alphabet we have learned about in English just now? In the previous class? We have learned about, what's this? Yes, we have learned about alphabet D, and the picture related to these alphabets. Can anyone tell me any 5 pictures? D for drum, then we have done D for dog, duck, then doll, isn't it? Then dice, with which we play snakes and ladder or ludo, and we have also discussed many more pictures. So today we are going to practice, or we are going to learn to write in our 4-line pattern notebooks letter D. But before proceeding towards that, who is going to tell me what's the sound of this letter? Whenever we are saying anything that begins with D या कहीं पर बीच में D आता है or at the end, whenever letter D is there, what sound comes out? What's the sound of letter D? D says D. D says D. How? Drum. D. Drum. Isn't it? Now class, what's this? It's a drop. रेन की ड्रॉप्स होती है ना पत्तों पे, जिसको हम ओस की बूंदें बोलते हैं हिंदी में. सो इट्स अ ड्रॉप, बूंद. इट कैन बी वाटर ड्रॉप, कहीं पे वाटर गिर गया है या रेन की बूंदें आ रही है तो आप बोलते हो मम्मा रेन ड्रॉप्स आर कमिंग. Isn't it? Again, when we say drop, d, drop, isn't it? Then we have dice, dice. We have dance. So we all love dancing, isn't it? When we are pronouncing it, dance. Then deer, जिनको हम प्यार करते हैं we call deer, deer. Then we have days. Every day मैम पूछती है ना, what is the day today? So days, days. Then the dog, doll. We all play with doll, isn't it? Then the duck. So whenever we are talking of anything that begins with D, anything that, or in any of the name where D comes in the end or in between, जहां पर भी आपको letter D मिलेगा, every time the sound that will come out is D. Clear? D says the dog, the drum, the dice, the duck, the drop. This is how we spell or we pronounce the alphabet D. Clear? Now, how to write it? I have told you earlier also how we are going to write this alphabet. First, we will make a standing line, right? So, from the top line, यहाँ पे इस point से you will make a standing line. कहाँ तक? जो नीचे lower वाली blue line होती है. Understood? यहाँ तक हम standing line draw करेंगे. And from here, अब हम क्या करेंगे? यहीं से जहाँ से हमने standing line begin की थी, you will make a curve like this. Curve line सीखी है ना हमने बनानी, so you will make a curve. Let's see it again. First one standing line and then a curve like this. Clear? अब आपको curve में ध्यान रखना है, it should be of equal distance. कोई बच्चे ऐसे करते हैं, कोई ऐसे करते हैं, ऐसे नहीं बनाना है. Both are wrong. When you are doing it, make a single standing line simply, और उसके बाद इसको equally आपको ऐसे curve करना है. and this is your letter D. D says D. D says D. D drum, D dog, dice, duck. तो जब भी हम बोल रहे हैं डी, हम डी तो नहीं बोल रहे ना, ड बोल रहे हैं. जब हम किसी चीज का नाम बोलते हैं हम बोलते हैं ड. So the sound of letter D is D. All of you repeat with me. Sound of letter D. What is the sound of letter D? D says D. Say with me. D says D. Clear? Now let's see how to do this work in the notebook. So today you are going to open your English notebook once, your 4-line notebook, to do this work. Okay? Open your notebook, write down today's date, and then let's begin with our work. Okay? So class, just see here how you are going to do your work today. You will first write your date, then you will write the topic, that is tracing letter D. And you can draw any pictures related with letter, as I have drawn drum, duck and dice. So you can draw any picture of your choice. Don't forget, draw करने के बाद color ज़रूर करना है. Clear? Now let's start doing our work of tracing letter D. How I have told you, first we are going to trace the standing line. So a standing line like this and a curve. Clear? Standing line. Slowly and slowly you will trace the curve. This is how we write letter D. And the sound of this letter is D says D. What's the sound? D says D. D drum, D duck, D dice, D dance, D doll, isn't it? Now after practicing it on dotted lines, let's try writing without any dots. So what you will do, you will first make a standing line and after that curve like this. Again a standing line and a curve like this. Standing line, curve like this. Clear? So this is how you are going to practice writing your letter D in your notebook, one full page. Understood? Finish your work neatly, beautifully, and remember only first red line and the other two blue lines. ये 3 lines आप use करोगे. Blue line से नीचे नहीं आना और red line से ऊपर नहीं जाना. Clear? Complete your work neatly, beautifully, color the pictures and get ready for today's next class. Hope you have understood. Bye all. Take care.